This jumbo-sized garlic ricotta buttermilk biscuit is ultra tender. It's swirled with roasted garlic, creamy ricotta cheese, and portioned to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. The drop biscuit method eliminates the need for rolling, folding, or shaping dough on a floured bench. Instead, you cut the butter into the dry ingredients and stir in the wet ingredients to form a sticky dough that's dropped directly into the buttered skillet, creating a rustic, craggy texture that catches that thyme butter glaze beautifully. Start by infusing a sprig of chopped thyme with 10 grams of melted butter for the butter glaze. Next, smash 5 grams of roasted garlic and infuse it with 50 grams buttermilk for the wet ingredients. For the dry ingredients, mix 60 grams flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder with salt and pepper. Then smash 20 grams cold butter into the flour to a coarse crumb. Add the garlic-infused buttermilk and stir just to combine. The dough should be a little sticky. If not, add a drop or two of buttermilk. Then fold in 30 grams of ricotta cheese. Drop the sticky dough into a buttered skillet and bake for 20 to 25 minutes in a 425 degree Fahrenheit oven until the top is golden and the center is firm when lightly pressed. The moment the biscuit comes out of the oven, pour the butter glaze on top so it can be absorbed into the crust.